Hello guys, today we are seeing a normal aluminum tank we made for our Chinese client. Here in the front we can see the small box on top of the tank mounted with a bolt. It's made by aluminum. It has the braking line connections, electricity connections, and ABS connections. Has the indicator at the bottom. This one is the ABS light, and all those pipes are connecting to the bottom here and to there, to the end of the trailer. The kingpin of this trailer is 15mm diameter bolted type, and the landing gear over there with the fire extinguisher toolbox. Here we have a small part we haven't seen it before because this kingpin plate is mounted on type. So there is a small part here to prevent the kingpin plate assembly to push to the front when you are braking the trailer. Okay. Here we can check the welding of the aluminum tank. It's quite good. According to my opinion, that's the first level in China. Here is a reinforcement plate at the bottom of the flange. There we can see the landing gear. It has the landing gear menu explanation to explain to the driver how to operate it. But that's pretty easy, just turn it, that's all. Here is the discharge hose restore pipe, and this is the spare tire carrier. And here on the body we can see the upside down 54 here to see the material grade. The aluminum is 54. Here we have some indicator for the drivers, and over there we have the name of the trailer, and that's for the edible oil, 33 cubic meter, and that says normal liquid tanks. Here we see discharge box. We don't need to open this one. We can check this one. It has a lock here and a ball valve here. Here is the discharge switch. To continue to see to the bottom, we can see there the light and rear guard, the rubber belt, license light, emergency valve. It says emergency valve, press it unless it's necessary, and when it's necessary you can push it to stop it. Here we have the indicator for the client to show what's inside of the tank, the name of the cargo and the category of the cargo, and how to rescue if there's any accident, and the volume and the payload, contact phone number here. Now it's time for us to go to the top. Now we are on top of the trailer from this ladder, and here is the light at the rear to show the width of the trailer. This is the wire of the light. This is the protection bar. You can actually lift it up like this, or you can retract it like this. We have one in the left, one in the right. Here is the discharge cabin. You can open this. Okay. This is the safety valve. It says bracing valve, and the pressure and the minus pressure and plus normal pressure, and the diameter something like that. This is a manhole. We have a small manhole on top and a big manhole at the bottom. There we have another discharge cabin, a manhole cabin. We can close this one. Okay, and close this one. If you want to lock it, you can put a lock here to lock it. We put some thing like this, the net, aluminum net, weld on the top of the tank body to give more friction when you walk on. All right, let's get off. Need to be very careful. It's pretty strong leather. Okay, now we are off the trailer. In this side we have another discharge cabin with ball valve inside, and those two pipes, this one to the top and that one to the top, is discharge pipe to, in case when it's rain, the water would stay in the top of the channel, so you need to use those two to drain it off. You can open this when it's full, close it when you don't need it. Here is the tire. Normal tire, normal rim, 3-axle, leaf spring suspension. Here's the toolbox. The toolbox, when you open it, it has two covers for the ball valve at the bottom, at the rear over there, and this is a case. Okay, that's it. This is the side protection, and this is the side light, and we have another two in the front. On the tank body, we have those supporting parts to support the whole tank body to get it to the top of the chassis. Okay, all right. I think that's all for today's video. Hope you guys like our video today. If you like our channel, please subscribe or click the like button at the bottom. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.